In order to get free wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S25, what you can do is you can go to settings, and then over here we can go to themes. In Galaxy themes, we can switch to wallpapers at the bottom. We can choose one of these categories, or we can simply go to top in order to see the most popular options. We can also tap on all on the left side in order to switch to free so that you only see free content. And then we can select any wallpaper that we like. So let's say, as an example, I'm gonna choose this one over here, press download, and then apply. Of course, you can choose if you want to set it for the lock screen or home screen or both. So go next, and then press done in the top right corner. And this is how we can get a free wallpaper. You might need to have a Samsung account to be able to download these wallpapers from the theme store. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!